Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert the canvas that you are seeing on the screen into PDF document using HTML2 Canvas and jsPDF library in Vue.js app. So if I just click the download PDF button, so it will download the PDF as an attachment and you can just see this canvas element being printed out in a PDF file. So let me just tell you that how to achieve this effect. So let me just go to a brand new Vue.js application, and inside this we will be declaring a canvas tag. Let me just give it an ID to it and a width and the height so that we can just see it on the screen. Let me just provide a width of 450 and height of also 450. Let me just close the canvas tag. And also guys, we will be having a button through which we can just download the PDF file, and let me just give it a click event handler. So when we click the button, we will be executing this download function and the label will be simple download PDF. So here guys, we just need you can see that this button is appearing here, and now we just need to target the canvas by its ID and provide a simple background of blue. So it will be having a background of blue guys. So if you refresh it, so sorry, we just need to add a G here also, background. So it will be having a background of blue, you can see that guys. Now we just need to take the screenshot using HTML2 Canvas. For this you just need to include the jsPDF library and also HTML2 Canvas library from HTML2 Canvas. So just include it, and now we will be writing our download function. So in this function, first of all, we just need to use HTML2 Canvas and we just need to pass our canvas element. So we can just get the canvas element by document.getElement by ID, and here we can just target our canvas, the ID that we have given to the canvas element. So we have stored the reference in this canvas variable. This returns a promise, so we just need to handle this by .then. So this contains the canvas guys here in this element, and now first of all we just need to get the canvas here. You can see that we just need to get the image data. So it is saying that HTML2 canvas, so we just need to write 2 here. So inside this we just need to declare a image data variable so that we can just target our image. So image, so inside this we just need to use a canvas2 data URL function. This is a function in order to convert the canvas into a image. So here we will provide image/png, and now we will be declaring a new instance of the new jsPDF, and inside this we will use doc.addImage and we will add our image here. Inside this we will pass our image data variable and we will pass the extension. In this case it will be png, and then we will pass the x and the y coordinate 10 10, and lastly we will save the file by using, let's suppose, a suitable name. Let me just give it a suitable name. So inside this you just want to give any name of your choice. Let's suppose I give output.pdf. So now if I refresh the application, if I click the button download PDF, so it will download this file, you will see that. And if I open this file, this canvas will be printed out on the PDF document. So in this easy way you can just achieve this effect in Vue.js application with the help of HTML2Canvas and jsPDF. You can take the screenshot of the canvas element and convert it into a PDF document.